National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central York County in southwestern Maine, northwestern Strafford County in central New Hampshire, east central Belknap County in central New Hampshire, southeastern Carroll County in northern New Hampshire, until 6 p.m. At 5:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Alton, Oregon, 14 miles northwest of Rochester, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rochester, Alfred, Sanford, Berwick, Farmington, Lebanon, Alton, Wolfeboro, Acton, Brookfield, New Durham, Middleton, Milton, Shapley, Wakefield, and North Berwick. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: York, Maine, and the following counties in New Hampshire: Belknap, Carroll, and Strafford.